Hello and welcome for week 3 WOD C. Well, I teased something heavy. It's a barbell. It's a heavy barbell. It's a traditional power lift. The name of the workout is the powerhouse. Now, we practiced this movement pre-COVID. We continued this progression post-COVID. This is not related to what you did in the lockdown or your endurance performance. This is about your strength, your power, and who is the powerhouse. Mela, we're not placing a particular time cap on this workout. So you start warming up slowly, progress throughout the session. Make sure your lifts are singles because it's a 1 rep max. When you will know what is your target, okay, along the sessions, if it was 5 reps, 3 reps, 2 reps, you will know what is your average, okay, and you will aim higher. If you have a 1 rep max, that will be your target and more, all right? When you reached your approximate maximum, I will judge you for the standards. Mela, this will be a 1 rep max of heavy deadlifts. Mela, let me walk you through the standards. Let's go through the standards of the deadlift. 2 no reps. I didn't lock my knees. I locked my knees but didn't lock my hip. Alright? A good rep. Everything locked. And you can drop the barbell. Ask for some ab mats if you're going heavy. Buckle your belt. You can use both sumo stance or regular deadlift. Get ready for your PR.